Welcome to our deep dive into Near Protocol as of September 2025. In this chapter, we'll explore how Near has evolved into one of the most talked about blockchain platforms and why it's capturing so much attention in the crypto world right now. Near is a next-generation blockchain platform, fast, secure, and easy for developers. Its unique architecture allows for seamless scaling, making it possible to handle thousands of transactions per second without compromising on security or decentralization. Unlike older blockchains, Near is designed for speed and affordability, making the decentralized web accessible to all. Its user-friendly approach means even those new to crypto can interact with apps and services built on Near with ease. This month, Near has seen major developments that have caught the eye of investors, developers, and users. From new partnerships to innovative protocol upgrades, Near is pushing boundaries and setting new standards in the industry. We'll break down its market performance, new technology, and what's driving Near's momentum. You'll see how recent announcements and integrations are fueling excitement and growth. You'll get a clear, jargon-free look at why Near is making headlines. Whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast or just starting out, this overview will help you understand Near's unique value. We'll cover price movements, technical upgrades, and the expanding ecosystem of apps and partnerships. Near's network is growing rapidly, with more developers and projects joining every month. Key metrics like total value locked show growing trust and adoption. These numbers reflect not just hype, but real-world usage and confidence in the platform's future. We'll also touch on community governance and what experts predict for Near's future. The active Near community is shaping the direction of the protocol, making it a truly decentralized project. By the end, you'll understand what sets Near apart and why it's a project to watch. We'll compare Near to other leading blockchains and highlight its competitive advantages. Let's dive into the big moves and future plans for Near Protocol this September and see what's next for this innovative blockchain platform. September 2025 has been a standout month for Near's price, drawing the attention of both seasoned investors and newcomers to the crypto space. The month has been anything but dull, with Near's price action characterized by sharp swings and moments of impressive stability. This period has been marked by both volatility and resilience as Near navigated a landscape filled with uncertainty and opportunity. On September 9th, Near surged 6.7%, leading the CoinDesk 20 index and outpacing the broader market. This impressive rally was fueled by a combination of positive news, increased trading volume, and renewed optimism about Near's ecosystem. This spike signaled strong investor confidence, even as the rest of the market moved cautiously. Many traders saw this as a sign that Near could be setting itself apart from other altcoins. After testing the $3 resistance, Near pulled back to $2.30 before stabilizing just below $2.70. This price action demonstrated both the enthusiasm and the caution present in the market. This consolidation reflects a classic battle between buyers and sellers, creating a period of stability where the market digests recent gains and prepares for the next move. Key support levels are at $2.55, $2.40, and $2.30, providing a safety net for the price if selling pressure increases. Meanwhile, resistance sits at $2.80 and $3, which will be crucial hurdles for Near to overcome if it's to continue its upward momentum. Technical indicators like the 50-day and 200-day moving averages are signaling a buy, suggesting that the overall trend remains positive for Near in the medium to long term. The RSI, currently at a neutral 57.7, indicates that Near is neither overbought nor oversold, leaving room for further price movement in either direction. Despite these positive technical signals, overall market sentiment remains cautious, with the fear and greed index deep in extreme fear. This suggests that many investors are still wary, possibly due to broader economic uncertainties or recent market corrections. Yet Near's ability to hold strong in a fearful market highlights growing confidence in its technology, its expanding ecosystem, and the vision behind the protocol. This resilience sets the stage for the protocol's next phase of growth, as more investors and developers take notice of Near's potential. Let's take a closer look at what's powering this momentum and driving Near's impressive performance this month. And Near's core technology took a significant leap forward this September, marking a pivotal moment in its evolution. The latest upgrades are not just incremental, they represent a major step in making Near faster, more efficient, and more accessible for users and developers alike. The protocol rolled out major enhancements to its Nightshade sharding, a unique approach that fundamentally boosts both speed and efficiency across the network. These improvements are designed to handle the growing demands of decentralized applications and a rapidly expanding user base. Sharding splits the network into multiple lanes, allowing more transactions to be processed at once. This parallelization means Near can scale seamlessly, supporting thousands of transactions per second without bottlenecks or slowdowns. This month's upgrades reduce transaction latency and increase throughput, crucial for mass adoption. Users now experience near instant confirmations and smoother interactions, making Near a top choice for real-world applications. High-speed, low-cost transactions make Near ideal for games and financial apps. Whether it's in-game purchases, microtransactions, or sending money globally, Near's performance ensures a seamless experience for end users. The dev team's relentless focus on refining Nightshade keeps Near among the most scalable blockchains. Their commitment to innovation ensures the protocol stays ahead of the curve as new challenges and opportunities arise. Enhanced developer tools and SDKs were also released, making it easier than ever to build on Near. These resources empower both new and experienced developers to launch projects quickly and efficiently. Lowering the barrier for developers attracts more talent and innovation to the ecosystem. With better onboarding and support, Near is becoming a magnet for creative minds looking to shape the future of Web3. The new SDKs and improved documentation are part of Near's push to be the most developer-friendly blockchain. Comprehensive guides and active community support help developers turn their ideas into reality faster than ever. These upgrades are the engine behind Near's visible growth and excitement. The ecosystem is thriving, with more projects launching and user engagement reaching new highs. Let's look at how this technology is fueling new apps and partnerships, driving Near's momentum into the future. Near's technical upgrades are driving a surge in new decentralized apps and partnerships. September saw launches in DeFi, NFTs, and gaming, each leveraging Near's speed and low fees. Play-to-earn games and new NFT marketplaces are attracting a diverse user base. A major highlight, Near's integration with Privy, which lets users sign up with familiar accounts like Google or Discord. Privy's embedded wallets make onboarding seamless, removing a key barrier for newcomers. This partnership is a game-changer for mainstream adoption and the open AI economy on Near. Additional partnerships are boosting interoperability, connecting Near to other major blockchains. The ecosystem is expanding rapidly, setting the stage for even more growth. Near's total value locked TVL hit new highs in September, signaling rising trust and adoption. New and existing DeFi apps are attracting more users and capital, fueling a positive feedback loop. The launch of innovative protocols is making Near's DeFi market more competitive and dynamic. User activity is also up, with more active wallets and daily transactions. Privy's easy onboarding is bringing in users who might have avoided crypto before. This growth isn't just a vanity metric, it's essential for Near's long-term sustainability and decentralization. A larger, more diverse user base strengthens the ecosystem and increases demand for the Near token. September's surge in TVL and user activity shows Near is executing its vision for an open, accessible web. Near's community is at the heart of its decentralized vision. September featured hackathons and new grant programs, sparking innovation and attracting fresh talent. Grants help de-risk early-stage projects, encouraging more builders to join the ecosystem. The focus this month projects that enhance user experience, interoperability, and unique utility. Governance is thriving, with token holders voting on key proposals, from protocol upgrades to treasury management. This active participation ensures Near's evolution is guided by its stakeholders, not a central authority. Transparent discussions and community-driven decisions build trust and alignment. Near's robust governance and grassroots engagement are laying the foundation for sustainable, decentralized growth. With Near's strong September, many are eyeing its long-term price potential. Analyst forecasts for year-end 2025 range from a conservative $3.89 to bullish targets above $11. These predictions reflect optimism about Near's tech, ecosystem and market share. Long-term projections show steady growth, with some models suggesting Near could reach $10 by 2028 and even $24 by 2031. While speculative, these forecasts highlight belief in Near's fundamentals and vision. The roadmap includes more sharding upgrades and advanced privacy features, keeping Near ahead of the curve. Near aims to be a decentralized alternative to traditional web infrastructure. Its focus on innovation and execution positions it for sustained growth in the years ahead. What sets Near apart in a sea of blockchains? User experience is at the core. Near offers human-readable account names and account abstraction for flexible, user-friendly wallets. The Privy integration lets users sign up with social accounts, making onboarding effortless. Near's Nightshade sharding gives it a proven edge in scalability, handling high volumes quickly and cheaply. This makes Near ideal for large-scale apps, from games to financial platforms. Near's open web ethos and community-driven governance foster collaboration, not competition. Interoperability tools like the Rainbow Bridge connect Near to other blockchains, expanding its reach. The result, a blockchain that's fast, easy to use, and ready to onboard the next billion users. September 2025 marks a turning point for Near Protocol. The project's price resilience and technical achievements are driving real-world adoption. Nightshade sharding upgrades and new apps are fueling explosive ecosystem growth. Partnerships like Privy and Record TVL numbers prove Near's focus on usability is working. An active community and robust governance ensure growth is sustainable and aligned with Near's vision. The roadmap promises more innovation, sharding enhancements, privacy features, and beyond. Near's unique blend of user-friendliness, scalability, and open web values sets it apart. The future looks bright as Near cements its place as a cornerstone of the decentralized internet.